Hey y'all, I actually did some more crafting today. I got 2 wreaths done. One for me and one for my mama. Hope y'all like them. Okay, the first one is a cross wreath that I made for my mama. I was hoping she would like it. She wanted me to make her something for Christmas, for a wreath for her door. And I had to keep asking her to figure out what color. She wouldn't tell me, and I didn't want to do something she didn't like. She finally told me she liked the blue and white and stuff, so that's what I went with. Got the tool from Dollar Tree and the cross wreath form from Dollar Tree and the little plaque thing from Hobby Lobby when it was on sale for half off. And there, I was just trying to put something in the middle so I'd have something to glue the little plaque to when I got to that part. So I just used a little bit of the white tool because I had already decided I was going to put white around the little plaque thing. I just hot glued it all on there. And then I start doing my tool. I'm sorry, I don't know the length measurements again. I never measure. I just cut. I think it's between 10 and 12 inches when I do them. Let's see here in a minute. Here we go. Let's see, I don't have nothing to measure it with there. And I just use zip ties to put them on. I went through the middle, then to each side and all that. I try to show you several times what the back looks like so y'all can see. See, that doesn't look like it's about 12 inches. I'm doing the fold it 3 times, clamp it, turn it around, fold it 3 times, and then walk it together technique, like I showed y'all on my other video. It's really simple. And I think it turns out cute. I tried to do it like, if I put white on one side, I put white on the other side, try to make it match. And again, you can do as much as you want. If you want every bit of the wreath form to be covered and not see any of it, you'll want to do more than I did. But it looks fine to me, and my mama liked it, so she actually loved it. She come up today. I was so excited she liked it. I always worry. Yeah, I just tried to pick where I thought to put the next one to make it look right. I ended up, I think, using almost 4 rows of tulle. I used both 2 whites and almost 2 blues, I believe. See there, that's where I was walking it together. And I just kept on going till I got it looking how I wanted it on that top part of the cross up there. Cutting off the zip ties on the back. That's what I was showing you. That's what I did. I think it looks pretty. I like how the tool looks, but I hate working with it. It catches on stuff all the time, on itself, on me, on anything around it. But it looks pretty in the end. And I just hot glued that little plaque there in the middle on the tool I had wrapped around for it. Once I got down to where I wanted to put it. And it had that little hanger already on it, so I pushed it through the back. And that's what you can hang the wreath by. I actually did something smart. I know y'all were shocked, ain't you? That's what the top part looked like in the little plaque. And I'm doing some gonna start doing the sides there. I want it all white right around the plaque, so that's why I started with that again. It didn't take too long to do this one. Just have to fight with them zip ties because I keep wanting to turn them upside down, and they do not work upside down. But I eventually got it. Okay, that's all that part on the top, both sides, and the middle. All I got left is the bottom. And now I'm going to work on that part. Again, putting my white one up there because it's going to be around the plaque. So it's all white up there. Some of that didn't look right, so I glued it down a little more. Got it the way I wanted it. Okay, we're almost done. Adding the last few pieces here. I was glad I got it done right before my mom got here. So that was good. I think it ended up pretty, and I was glad she liked it. She really loved it. I was surprised how well she liked it. I always worry when I make stuff for people that they're not going to like it. Or when I take pictures for people, I worry that they're not going to like it. Till they let me know. I'm a worrywart. Okay, I think this is the last piece here. I hope y'all like this one. If you do, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and talk with you. I'm going to show you a picture after I do a little video to show what it looks like. There it is. I think it turned out pretty. If y'all like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm moving up. I think I'm at 155 people now. See, don't that look pretty? And I'm going to show you a picture in a minute. My mama, she's holding it. She ain't smiling much because she don't smile in pictures, but she says she really loved it. There she is. Okay, DIY number 2. This one I made for me. Got that wreath form. I cut those little houses out myself out of some scrap wood. I didn't end up using the lights. I got that from Hobby Lobby because I like the beads. And little picks from Dollar Tree and moss from Dollar Tree. And I think them are car wash things from Dollar Tree. Okay, them are going to be my snow. I just hot glue them on the wreath form the best I can. And that worked pretty good. Just mush it together and get it on there. It looks like snow to me. I had never seen that color wreath form before, but it worked pretty good for my more natural look that I'm going for. Neutral, natural looking colors. And I fiddled with these houses, trying to hold that wreath form up. And I finally end up only being able to use 2 of them. So I got me a house I can use for something else later. I get smart here in a minute and get me something to prop it up on. Because it was just hard to do anything with it. I just hot glued my little houses on there. Tried to reinforce them some, make sure they stay good. Alright, that's one side. I can use that one. So I'll do something else with that other one. I don't know what, but I'll do something with it. There we go. Got my camera bag to prop it on to help me out. That worked a lot better. I glued them down real good and glued them to each other. They seem to be sticking pretty good. It still wanted to slide. I just had a time with this. I hot gluing my moss there in front of it just because I like how that moss looks. And it's natural looking, nature inspired, so that works. Put a little bit on the back too. It also helps hold them houses in place. That stuff goes everywhere, though. I don't pick it out of that wreath often. Oh, the snow, sorry. Yeah, I needed a little bit more snow to go up on the wreath as far as I wanted it to go, so I cut off some more and added it to each side. Just hot glued it on again. Ooh, I really burnt my finger right there, y'all. That's every time I burn it. And I need a little piece on the other side too, so I fix that side, trim it up a little bit. This time I put the glue on the rag. That worked out a little better. Had to get another glue stick. I had it stuck to my fingers. There we go. Got it on there. Now it looks better. And then I'm going to add these little trees. Well, I'm going to make trees out of these little pigs anyway. Put me a couple trees with my little houses on my Christmas village. I don't know if two houses make a village, do they? Anyway, a Christmas neighborhood. And just hot glued them down. It's coming together. Decided I wanted two trees on one side, just one on the other. Okay, I'm going to add some of that huge snow I got from Hobby Lobby to the top of my houses and stuff. And everywhere else too. Make it look like it snowed on the village. That stuff goes everywhere too. This was a messy craft. But it still turns out cute. I like it. Now, I'm cutting all the wires on the wreath except the very outside ring off. Because I didn't want those others on there. This is where I'm finally separating it from that part. Sorry, my angles ain't always the best. I had it camera wide as it would go. There, we're left with just that one ring. That's what I wanted. Now I'm going to use that thing I got from Hobby Lobby. I had to cut the wreath ring in half because I want to put those beads on the wreath thing. So I just take them off and put them on there in order. One brown, one green, one brown, one green. And I do that both sides where I cut it off up there. I dropped them a couple times. And this went clear across the room. Yep. And then I hot glued the little points of the wreath back together, but trying to hold all that myself, I didn't get it the greatest. So after I'm done and all the pictures and everything done, I moved it. It come apart. My son helped me and we hot glued it again, and I held it and he did it. So it helped a lot having an extra set of hands. Hopefully it stays this time. If it don't, I'll have to find some other kind of glue. But maybe it'll work this time. I'll figure it out anyway. This one's just for me, so I can fix it later if something happens to it. And I just took the rope off of that thing from Hobby Lobby and made my hanger for my wreath. Attached one end to each side up there. I think it looks pretty. What do y'all think? I like it, even with that big old huge snow. Anyway, if y'all liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And I so much appreciate y'all watching. I really do. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.